What's going on, guys? Live this morning on YouTube. Kind of a rocky road. You'll see what happens in the video, but we were up and we were down, and then we got stopped out multiple times and had to grind back, but ended up grinding it back. We ended up green on the day. We're up $600 here at the end of the day. You're going to see some live trades, see the live action. Again, if you guys are not tuning into the 9:30 a.m. Eastern live streams, I know sometimes it says like different hours because I'm in Hawaii. I got to figure out what to do about that. But in general, I'm live. 9:30, I'll be live. So tune in, check it out, come hang out for a little bit, see what's going on, and see what we do. Today, we had some really good trades. I felt like it was a good day, had a really good day. So I'm happy with that. I can walk away now and be like, hey, look, we did what we needed to do. We made our money. We walked away. And, well, you guys are going to see the trades and all that fun stuff right here in this video. So let's get into it.
Yeah.
Market right at that area of support right now. Is it going to bounce? You can see right now on the Bookmap. If you guys want to learn more about Bookmap, there's a link there in the chat box. But that big buyer there at the 50s right now, will they continue to sit there trying to buy the dip here at the 50s? Got some iceberg orders coming through at the top. There's that big, getting the stop run there at the 51s, 52s there. I'm going to get long here with my stop below the 50s. I think the risk reward's pretty good. We'll see if it's going to hold. Right when I get long, it's going to crack. Watch. Get this push over the 53s. Try to get push back up to the 60s next. Getting stopped out of one contract. Still got one at 48. I'm taking another stab it along here. Fuck this 50s. Big buyers coming in there once again at the 50s. Trying to push this back up. Moving my stop up right below the 50s again here. 49, 75. Need to start pushing or we're going to get stopped out. Oy, come on. Where's the momentum at? Nothing's worse than getting stopped out on a trade and then the market goes higher right afterwards. Like literally I got stopped out at the 49.75. It bounced off 49.25 and then pushed to 54s. So yeah, we're going to do a Top Step giveaway. We're going to do a $100,000 Top Step combine. That'll probably be, we'll do the first giveaway tomorrow. So if you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. Also, let's blow up that like button. We got 53 likes right now. I should have just stayed long all morning long. I should have just been long all morning long. All morning long. All long. I think 70s is possible here now. On the Bookmap, look at there's like literally just no sellers sitting above this level now until the 70s. So let's see if that can just jump right up there to the 70s. Interested to see now. You can see the buyers switching up on the bottom here. 65s trying to hold here. Get this push up to the 70s next. Get over the 66s, go right to 70. Okay, you can see that iceberg order just popped up there. Somebody selling there at the 66 level. You can see I was long there from the 55s up to the 70s. So getting long there at the 55s and selling one at 64, selling one there at the 54s, selling one there at the 70s. All right, so now let's look for a pullback. We're definitely getting a little overextended. You can see here on the multiple time frames. Definitely getting a little overextended. I like to see a pullback on the 3-minute chart would be what I'm looking for. There it is, 73s now, just going straight up. I was like, oh, this morning it was like right out of the gates. I'm like, I'm gonna go long. This thing's gonna squeeze. We got all this going on, and I got stopped out of those fucking trades. Painful to say the least. Buyers, I mean, still very aggressive. Buyers still very aggressive here. You can see big buyer coming through there. Bang, bang, bang. So the battle is real. There's that resistance up like 84s from the overnight session, but not a lot of volume traded there. I would say 82, 84 level being more supply than 76 here. 76 looks pretty, doesn't look very, very thick in terms of supply or volume being traded there at that level. Just trying to be patient, waiting for this pullback here. We were down $1,000 on the day after those first 3 or 4 trades. I think we were like $1,200 on the day we were down. We're down $250 right now, so $250, not so bad. We can. That's totally manageable, totally doable here. It's still, I mean, what a frustrating morning. I fucking got stopped out on 3 longs this morning. I guess at the end of the day, I just need to make my stop larger. Instead of getting stopped out 3 times, at least just make my stop a lot larger, and then just so we basically need to, let's get a pullback here, 66 level, and then we break out of this downward trend that we're in right now. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. If you want to learn more about Top Step, there's a link in the chat box, all that fun stuff. Can we get this to squeeze? Watching that 75 level here to push through. We need to push through that 75 up to the 80s. We're right at a pivot point on the SPY there at the 417, 11 area. So I think that's what's holding us down right here. Looking pushy. 76s, 76s, 725. Can we push to the 80s? Looking for that 80 push here. There we go. Up to the 80s. Can we get it all the way through the 80s? That's the question now. Currently long. Like I said, I've been talking about being long from that 73s. Looking for a push up to the 80s here. And 80s. Big seller sitting at the 80s. Will he get eaten? Get blown through there? And I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take my profit right there, just to lock it in from the 70s. Well, I think the biggest thing with the book map, Hayden, is really like for me, if I'm looking at it, I'm like, I just like to see. I want to see like possible targets, possible areas that the market, because especially like, I don't know, at the nighttime sessions, you can like almost, I wouldn't say you can guarantee it, but like the market definitely likes to move to where those buyers and sellers are sitting at. And it just kind of like, moves perfectly in those areas, trying to get through those. On the day right now, we're up $412 on the day. Definitely not where I wanted to be at right now. We had to grind back after the morning debacle. I think this would be a perfect example, Patrick, of waiting for the first. I mean, I wouldn't say we had a slow day. We've had a pretty good day so far. I mean, the market went from the 56s up to the 84s. We're up 1% on the day on the ES right now. So, also got some new stuff going on today. Let me see. I think that's. It's my birthday on Sunday, by the way. If you guys haven't heard. If you got the newsletter that tells you about all my my birthday. But yeah, it's my birthday on Sunday. Turning 34 years old. 34 years old. Can you believe it? I'm getting fucking old, man. You know what's funny? I never thought I'd be 34. It's kind of funny. I kind of like was like, oh, I'm gonna be old, but I never thought I'd be 34 for some reason. So just kind of sitting back here. Like I said, definitely looking like we're slowing down here, having trouble. So the market moving down here. Like I said, that was probably a good short up at that 85 level, but not sure I want to chase it now. All right, so we're looking here at the ES right now for a move down. I'd like to see a move down here to the 70s, off the 74 level. Get a break below the 72s here, down to the 70s, flat. Can we get that sell through here? And 72s getting touched. Looking for a break below 72 here. I'm going to take one contract off there and then look for the rest to go lower. Looking for this break below 72s here. Down there, 72s flat. Can we keep it going? I think we're going lower here. 72 breakthrough. I'm going to move my stop to at least guarantee I'm going to lock in $100 here. 72.75 on this trade. We'll give it a little bit more wiggle room to go lower. See if this plays out in our favor. And getting stopped out for $100 in profit there. And on the day, we're going to walk away with $600 in profit. And total P&L, $482 there. So, all right. Make sure I cancel out. Always make sure you cancel all. There's that move down there now. Oh, it just stopped me out and then moved to the 70s. So, I'm done. I'm going to walk away. I'm not going to keep playing with it.
Yeah.